world champion and the 87-kilo reigning world bronze medalist. I don't know who's the favorite here.
I always say it, I don't care who wins. I just love seeing great action, and I think that's what we're going to see here. Arm spin attempt, oh, right to his back. ŽANЫШOV trying to end it early. Settling in and bellying down is ФАРОХИ.
Beautiful hip throw by ŽANЫШOV.
Oh, wow. First 30 seconds of the match, we've got fireworks here in Bishkek.
He's already living up to the expectations. Wow.
Whoa. Strap in. We've only 40 seconds gone by. 4-0 lead for ŽANЫШOV. Didn't have the greatest tournament last year in Amman, finishing 7th. But you go back to 2022 at the age groups here. And when we say age group, we mean U17, U20, U23.
Action blue.
Gold in U17 in 2022, and then 3 straight U23 golds. 2 of those here in Bishkek.
Action blue. Action.
Was 5th at the ranking series in Tirana. Was ŽANЫШOV. Now we've got point, passivity, and position. ŽANЫШOV with another chance on top, this time in a more traditional parterre situation.
Let's see if he'll go for a reverse flip again like he did in the first sequence here. He does not go for the reverse lift. He goes for a lift. He tries to get his feet.
Slipped off. ФАРОХИ now with a front headlock.
That's 1 point. Wow, this match is not disappointing.
And blue wants a challenge. Blue, Iran, gesturing, hip, leg, hip, leg.
What a match.
The facial expression there from ФАРОХИ on the replay, you could see it's like, all right, well, definitely looked like he hooked the low single leg there.
Yes, he definitely touched his legs.
Did he touch it, or did he just go around and go, oh, you know?
Challenger must be.
Well, block there.
His hand is not active hand, just stepping out. No foul.
Okay.
No point for that. Challenge is lost.
I guess they just thought the arm was hanging there versus. Well, 7-0 as we restart with 1:10 to go in the period. Kyrgyzstan looking for a 3rd champion tonight.
ŽANЫШOV only needs 1 more point here. What a match. This is not what I expected.
Been completely one-sided for the 20-year-old. He doesn't turn 21 until August. That front headlock, that head pinch position. ФАРОХИ backs him to the zone, ducks it, and puts ŽANЫШOV to his back. He's got a half in, but just the 2 points. That could have been disastrous. Now he loads the gut for 2. Is this what you were expecting?
This is exactly what I was expecting.
And ŽANЫШOV steps over. Counter exposure. 2 red, steps over. Head out of the zone.
And he's fleeing the mat.
Caution and 2 for fleeing.
Oh, wow.
It is confirmed.
No one is able to see us, but I'm actually standing up and commentating right now.
FAROHISENджани favoring his wrist pretty heavily there on the edge. The medical staff will take a look. Thinking, did he post? He's got the grip, got the grip. Hard to tell from that angle what may have occurred.
He's going down into parterre.
Yeah, you're
Hey,
There's just a second, just about a second left of the period, so this doesn't really matter.
Janyshov's even like, bro, what? What you don't want to do is get a caution in 2 here on a false start. 11-4 at the break. Yeah, we talk about the crowd here in Bishkek. Of course, they've had a lot to cheer about. I got one of those devices on my wrist from one of those fruit companies, and it definitely says loud environment, and it said it multiple times throughout the course of the week. So again, another tip of the cap to the wrestling community here in Bishkek, which likes what they see so far. Back to action. Final 3 minutes here at 87 kilos. Gold medal final. ASAN Janishov of Kyrgyzstan in command over returning world champion Golamrezа FAROHISENджани.
액션 브루, 액션 레드.
FAROHISENджani has to put up the pressure here, start pressuring his opponent more, make him move around to try to get that passivity point and that parter opportunity. But he looks very tired.
Something you don't see a whole lot again from Iran. Always in great shape, always fighting to the final whistle.
Janishov is controlling the mat circle.
No, they're going to white paddle that. They called for it again. That would have ended the match. Now he's going to worry about a flea because he's kind of just been kind of back into the edge there. Head down.
Wow.
Janishov's corner asking for a flea.
FAROHISENджani is so tired right now.
We still got half the period left to go. Almost seemed like Janishov was kind of afraid to go for the kill there. It's just one more point's all he need. To the zone we go.
What a match this has been so far.
And Janishov started out nearly pinning FAROHISENджani in the opening seconds. The crowd building to a crescendo with 30 to go.
Janishov is not tired. We saw that yesterday against Tursinov. He does not get tired, that man.
15 remains.
What a performance.
concedes as we've got time, hitting triple zeros. And now a third world title tonight, or Asian Championship, for the world bronze medalist and now Asian champion, 20 years old. He'll raise his flag skyward. ASAN, JANISHOV of Kyrgyzstan.